the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to organize this little cabinet for Belle. It's going to be a snack pantry kind of thing. We don't really have a pantry, so we make use of the cupboards, the kitchen cupboards. And this cabinet right here, I thought would be a good idea to organize all her snacks where she can reach them easily and not have to keep coming back to me for snacks and stuff. She's not really a sweet person, so she doesn't really go for sweet stuff, but the things that she likes, I want to organize them here. I have already started with some and I'm left with the bottom shelf. So I hope you're also motivated to declutter and get your own cabinets going. You know the spaces in the UK, if you don't live in a house, the chances of you not having a pantry is very high. Even if the people who lives in houses, I don't think they have pantries. So these are the cupboards that you would use for your pantry kind of thing. So yeah, I'm going to organize everything and I'll bring you along with me. How are you guys doing? I hope you're enjoying yourself with this new weather. What else? Leave me a comment. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Leave me a comment below, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
at my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so.
Guys, I downloaded this pantry inventory so I can keep record of the dates of the things that I have in the storage containers. You know, I have taken them out of the box, so if I don't put them here, I may forget them, and we will soon be eating expired goods. So I downloaded this. I think I'll just leave the link in the description box below for you in case you're interested. So I'm going to put all the things on here and put them on the door of the cabinet. Right, so this is what I have so far. It's not the biggest pantry, and I could not find shelves that could divide this properly, so I had to get this stacking shelf. I'm going to start from up here and show you what we have. I got these containers from IKEA a while ago. I got these containers from IKEA, and I got these on eBay, but there's some on Amazon as well. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link for my shop front for you to have a look. So I have all the things here that Belle likes to go for. I've got some pastas at the back, spaghetti, pasta, and all that. I put this here. There wasn't enough space for all the drinks, but we have this JO2 spritz. There's some in the storage, and we have some biscuit, Belle's drinks that she readily goes for, and her snacks in these stacking shelves. I got these on Amazon for £7 something each. They're a set of 3. I've used the rest for the other cabinets. And so she's got some snacks here, and I have my snacks in this one that I got from IKEA last month. This also is my boiler cabinet, so yeah, but it works perfectly. And I have some some water here. When I tell her to come for water, she just goes straight there, which is good. So yeah, this is what we have so far. I'm looking to get a shelf that can at least go on top here and so that we'll be able to put some more things here, but I haven't found the right size yet. I'm still looking, and hopefully I can find something. I'm also going to get an over door hanger, shelf hanger thing, and put here and be able to get some more products in there. But the thing is, it's just Belle and I. We don't need that many things, and so this space is just enough. I just thought this is a waste of space. This thing is a waste of space not getting anything there. But if I find the perfect shelf, by all means we're going to utilize that space. If not, then we don't really need it. The rest of these stacking shelves I use for the onions. Let me just show you that quickly. So yeah, I use this cabinet for the cooking stuff, and I use the rest. So it's a pack of 3. So yeah, the rest is here. I've been organizing the cabinets. Everything looks to be perfect right now, if I say so myself. And this is my spice cabinet. They're so small, so there isn't much that can go in here, but it's working perfect. So yeah, this was what I was doing after our routine the other time, and I hope you like it and have been motivated to do your own clean out and organization. I like what is going on here so far. I like that Belle can just go and get her own snacks without having to, mommy I want this, mommy I want that, and it's just easy to close as well. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love for you to like this video, leave me a comment, send me a picture or something of how you've organized your cabinets. And yeah, thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and like this video and join the community. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.